So update mode. Configure whether you receive automatic updates. Requires a restart after change. The updates are fetched from a Microsoft online service. So you have a few options here. And so you have default. Whoops, let me cancel that. So you have default, enable, which is enable automatic update checks. VS Code will check for updates automatically and periodically. Manual, disable automatic background update checks. Updates will be available if you manually check for them. None, so it's not going to periodically check for updates. And start, which means it will check for updates only on startup. Disable automatic background update checks. So every time you restart VS Code, it will check for an update. I think the default option is perfectly fine. So VS Code will periodically check for updates. And if you want to install them, go ahead and do. Otherwise, if you want to do what I do, which is every time VS Code has an update, I make sure I take the time to read the update notes so that I know what was changed and what new features VS Code has, and also what new settings this update contributed to the default VS Code settings, so that I make sure I'm on top of my game. So I'm going to leave this setting set to default.